Buckle up, gearheads, because we're counting down the best transmission fluid options to keep your drivetrain shifting silky. From synthetic blends to conventional formulas, these picks are designed to run cooler, protect against wear, and deliver instant shifts under all driving conditions. Today, I'm going to be going over the subject that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Valvoline MaxLife. Valvoline MaxLife is designed for aging automatic transmissions where seals start to show their age and where viscosity control becomes critical as miles accumulate. This formula is built with a seal conditioner package that aims to restore or preserve the elasticity of O-rings and gaskets in hydraulic circuits, helping to minimize leaks and slip that can become more pronounced in older units. The additive system is focused on anti-wear protection, including friction modifiers that keep clutch packs engaging smoothly under various loads, and deposit control agents that keep the internal passages clean. High mileage approach means the fluid retains a robust viscosity profile across temperature ranges, maintaining adequate film thickness even when the engine or exhaust heat has pushed the transmission bay to warmer conditions. Because many older vehicles have a more varied set of components, sometimes mixed years and models in single-family fleets, MaxLife emphasizes broad compatibility with Dexron VI and Merkin-type specifications while preserving the integrity of seals that may have seen better days. Synthetic base provides oxidation resistance that slows varnish formation and reduces sludge accumulation, keeping the valve body channels and cooler passages clear for proper pressure regulation and shift stability. Get improved resistance to foaming at higher RPM and loads, which matters during highway merges or towing scenarios where all churn can spike and generate aeration that undermines smooth engagement. Like some entry-level fluids that rely on a single friction strategy, MaxLife deploys a layered approach that combines high-temperature stability with cold start performance, making cold mornings less harsh and a transmission that can grumble if the ATF is too thin when it first starts up. For owners thinking about drain intervals, MaxLife offers a longer service window in many vehicles, particularly those that have seen wear-related shift concerns or slow throttle response due to sticky regulator valves. Protection it provides translates into more resilient pack engagement and reduced torque converter slip. It can be especially beneficial in older or high-mileage vehicles where the transmission has logged tens of thousands of miles beyond its original design window. Compared to the number 4 product, Valvoline Multi-Vehicle app, which I have included as number 4 on this list, MaxLife emphasizes high-mileage seal longevity and extended drain life. At number 4, we have the Valvoline Multi-Vehicle app. This is a highly versatile automatic transmission fluid designed for a broad range of vehicles and a wide spectrum of model years, from older imports to modern domestics, offering a balance between wear protection, oxidation resistance, and friction performance across the most common transmission architectures. Formulation is engineered to handle Dexron, Merkin, and other cross-compatible specifications in many cases, which makes it a practical option for homeowners who are uncertain about exact specification classifications or who own a mixed fleet. Multi-vehicle approach stresses compatibility with diverse clutches and valve body dynamics, delivering consistent shift feel whether you're cruising on the highway or maneuvering in urban stop-and-go traffic. One key feature is its robust detergency and deposit control package, which helps to keep internal channels cleaner, reducing the likelihood of varnish-induced stickiness in valve bodies and solenoids that can degrade shift precision over time. Fluid also maintains viscosity during long drives, resisting shear breakdown that can cause sticky or delayed shifts on hot days. In addition, corrosion inhibitors protect metals in gear chains, pistons, and heat exchangers, supporting overall reliability in transmission systems that see frequent thermal cycling. For owners who tow or haul heavy loads, this fluid profile offers stable friction coefficients, which helps avoid excessive torque converter slip during acceleration. It is also designed to resist foaming, a factor that can hamper pump performance under high RPM. Compared to the number 5 product, Valvoline MaxLife, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Multi-Vehicle app offers broader vehicle compatibility and a slightly more budget-friendly option for households with several vehicles. At number 3, we have the Valvoline app 4. Valvoline app 4 is the signature formulation for vehicles that rely on the Chrysler ATF Plus 4 specification, a standard that has persisted across many minivans, trucks, and passenger cars over the years. This fluid is designed to meet the friction and additive requirements that Chrysler's automatic transmissions expect, balancing wear protection, oxidation resistance, and clean valve body operation. Key attribute is its targeted friction control, which helps maintain consistent engagement of clutch packs and smoother shifts in transmissions that previously showed slight hesitations when the fluid was older or degraded. The additive package includes anti-foam agents to ensure stable pump operation at high speeds, plus antioxidants and metal deactivators to shield gears from corrosion and heat-induced degrade. Cold temperature performance ensures that the engine and the transmission perceive a more uniform shift behavior soon after startup, even in chilly conditions. The viscosity profile is calibrated to stay within a precise band that minimizes slippage while protecting bearings, which is critical for Chrysler's ATF Plus 4 family that features unique valve body architecture. For vehicles that have mixed maintenance histories, ATF Plus 4 offers predictability in shifting behavior, especially in city traffic, where frequent stop-and-go demands test the stability of hydraulic circuits. Paired to the number 4 product, Valvoline Multi-Vehicle app, which I have included as number 4 on this list, AT4 delivers a more specialized specification alignment with Chrysler transmissions, while still providing solid oxidation control and wear protection in a broader operating window. At number 2, we have the Valvoline CVT transmission fluid. This product is purpose-built for continuously variable transmissions, which operate with a very different friction profile and hydraulic control strategy than traditional automatics. Formula emphasizes friction modifiers and shear-stable polymers that enable the belt and pulley system to respond smoothly to throttle input, reducing the likelihood of belt slip and delayed engagement that can accompany CVT operation as the fluid ages. Key feature is the viscosity behavior across temperature. Not only does it provide adequate film thickness at a cold start to prevent clutch slip, but it also maintains a controlled friction coefficient at operating temperatures where CVTs can become sensitive to over-application of friction modifiers. Polymer content is optimized to minimize wear on transmission bearings and to reduce heat buildup inside the torque converter, where CVTs can experience higher thermal stress due to the variable geometry. Fluid is also formulated to resist foaming and aeration, which helps maintain pump pressure and a consistent line pressure across shifting routines. One of the practical benefits is improved fuel efficiency and quieter operation in models that rely on CVT technology, as the smooth engagement reduces the abruptness of torque transitions. For owners who mix CVT-equipped vehicles with traditional automatics in a single household, this fluid provides a robust, dedicated option that supports the longevity of belt systems and the longevity of clutches that are engineered for constant modulation. Compared to the number 3 product, Valvoline AT4, which I have included as number 3 on this list, CVT Fluid emphasizes tailored performance for CVTs, while AT4 focuses on the Chrysler ATF Plus 4 specification and broader traditional wear protection. At number 1, we have the Valvoline Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid. This is a versatile, fully synthetic ATF designed to serve a wide range of modern transmissions with a focus on high heat stability, clean valve bodies, and reliable friction performance across common automotive platforms. Synthetic base stock provides outstanding oxidation resistance, which matters in vehicles that see hard driving, towing, or extended highway runs, where conventional fluids can break down more quickly and form varnish. The additive system blends friction modifiers that support smooth shifts across multiple gear ratios, a robust anti-woe RSH environment, detergents that keep metal surfaces free from deposit buildup, and anti-foam components to maintain pump efficiency under rapid RPM changes. It is well suited for multi-vehicle ownership and is often selected for its predictable shifting performance across a variety of vehicle makes and generations, including newer models that require precise telemetry in actuator and solenoid interactions. High viscosity temperature stability helps maintain proper line pressure and clutch pack engagement when the transmission is carrying heavy payloads or running at elevated temperatures. Synthetic formulation also contributes to longer drain intervals in some vehicles, and it tends to deliver consistent performance across cold starts and hot drives alike. For owners who favor a single fluid capable of covering multiple family cars or who want a robust option for frequent highway use, this product provides a dependable baseline of protection and shift crispness. Paired to the number 2 product, Valvoline CVT Transmission Fluid, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the full synthetic ATF is more broadly suitable for both traditional automatics and, in many cases, CVT designs that specify synthetic multi-vehicle compatibility, giving you flexibility and peace of mind across a mixed fleet.